Fluence presents Create a Cover Competition 2.0, calling artists and illustrators yet again. Submit the best of your art and get your designs on and into our book. What's the contest about? How I feel about the pandemic. The first children books published written by children. We are looking for multiple images, not just for the book cover but also for interior of the books, to give you hint about what we are looking for. Children having a vivid imagination. Sketches depicting varied emotions of children are what we are looking for. Format: submit your sketches, illustrations, cartoons, caricatures in JPG or JPEG format using participation link given in the description box. Dimensions: minimum 2500 by 2500 pixels. Do not include any text on the image apart from what may be an integral part of your cartoon or caricature. Each artist can submit up to 5 entries. The competition is open for all Indian residents of all ages. Submission free. Contest deadline June 2021. Date June 20th. Results will be announced on July 10th, 2021. Now let us see the prizes. Winning entries will receive the cover of our book within the book with credits to artist, a physical copy of the book once published for the artist, a virtual recognition certificate from Right Influence for the artist. Second competition also presented by Writefluence. Writefluence, the open theme short story writing competition, open for all themes. Theme open, fiction, it will be in fiction. Word count 1000 to 3000 words. Does not include title. All entries must be formatted as single spaced Word document or PDF and submit using participation link at bottom of the post, which is also given in description box. Font Arial 12 pt. Only entries that are under 3000 word limit will be accepted. All entries will be judged anonymously, so you must include title of story but not your name or address or any identifying information of entrant. Competition is open internationally to anyone over the age of 16. All entries must be 16 in English. All entries must be the work of the person entering and must not have been published anywhere online, including blogs and websites, or accepted for the publication elsewhere. Entries that do not comply with competition rules will be disqualified. No entries will be accepted via email. No correction posts entry will be accepted. Let's be fair, it's a competition. The result of competition will be published online and result of the judges will be final. Please. Submission deadline is June 30th, 2021. Submission entry is free. Entrants can send up to 5 submissions. Now let us see the results and prizes. Results will be announced on July 31st. Winning stories will be published in a book, multiple books to be released thereafter. All winning writers will win a special author feature in the book and a merit certificate virtual from Writefluence after book is published. Top 3 writers from each resultant will receive 1 physical copy of the book, 1 merit certificate from Writefluence, early bird prizes, a participation certificate virtual for the first 20 entries. The earlier you send your submission, the more time we have to read it at peace and calculate the scores. Our jury, that is the jury of the competition, include Kaumudi Amrute writing workshops, have received several amazing reviews from students of different age groups. Arvind Solanki included. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita Isir, Indian Talent Olympiad YouTube channel, and Competite Time /Entertainment Academy. See you in next video.